A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, you know that this one is your English time, English period time. So now we are moving forward. The name of the chapter is Taro's Reward. What you have to do, we already done the explanation of the chapter. Then after we have done with the question and answers. All of you know the story very well. So now moving forward to the fill-ups. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. That means the words are already given for you. What you need to do, you have to write down all the words in their suitable places. The places are given for you, so you need to write it down. What's the word coming on that particular space? So the words are lonely, little, hard, young, thoughtful, delicious, beautiful. So these are the 7 words. You have to fill in these lines. The lines are given to you. One more information there. All of you are finding some numbers over there. After the sentence, words are there, right? Number 3, 3, 4, 4, 10, like this. So what is this? You have to find out the answer of the blank in the third paragraph, and for the next fill in the blanks you have to find out that answer of that fill in the blank on the fourth paragraph, and same as it is. And for the upper one we already given the words lovely, little, hard, young, thoughtful, delicious, and beautiful. So now start the fill in the blanks. A dash woodcutter lived on a dash woodcutter. The woodcutter is not an old man, it's a young man. So a young woodcutter lived on a. Young means a type of a boy. So a young woodcutter lived on a dash hillside. Hillside. Taro lived in a lonely hillside. So here we have right lonely. Lonely, lonely hillside. He was a which type of son? Thoughtful. Thoughtful. Thoughtful son who worked. He worked very hard, na? Hard. 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 But earned little money. But he, after doing a work hard, he getting a little money because he is going to sell the wood into the market. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. But he had, at the time of doing his work, he is very dedicated to his work. He is doing his work, and unfortunately, what had happened, he was very thirsty at that particular time period. He heard some type of sounds coming from behind of him, behind of the bushes. So what he had done, because he's working very hard and he's full of sweat, so he's gone for the finding of water. So what he had find it out, a little beautiful waterfall is there. So one day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it. When he tasted the water, he filled with a picture, filled in a picture, and take it to at his home also. So when he tasted the water and found it delicious, means very tasty. So we have done the fill in the blanks. You need to note it down, these fill in the blanks, in your fair notebook. After that you have to send it to me in my WhatsApp group, in my personal WhatsApp number. Fine. So now moving forward to the next topic, next question. The next question is, find these sentence in the story and fill in the blanks. Means in a story you have seen the paragraph number is also mentioned in the story as well. So in each fill in the blanks the paragraph number is mentioned. What you have to do, you have to find it out the word in the paragraph which you have to write in the fill in the blanks. So now we are going to do this one also. Find these sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. So the first one, this made Taro dash than ever. Dash than ever means it is in third paragraph. First of all, students, you have to look on first of the paragraph. This made Taro, third paragraph. The third paragraph is here. This made Taro sadder than ever. That means the word comes over here is sadder. He decided to work dash than before. That means it's also be in a third paragraph. You have to find it out in a third paragraph. In a third paragraph. Whatever. Okay. So he worked more harder. He decided to work harder than before. Means whatever he is going to do work, but he decided that to work harder than before. Whatever he is doing in previous days. The third one. The next morning Taro jumped out of bed dash than usual. It's also been a fourth paragraph. Next morning what had happened, because Taro find it out a magical fountain in the forest, so next morning he want to collect more water from that waterfall. So Taro jumped out of bed early than usual. Early than usual he jumped out of the bed. So this one is the third fill in the blank. Then the fourth one, he began to chopping means cutting down. So he began to chop even cut, cut. Then the last one, next morning Taro started for work even dash than the morning before. Next morning what had happened, Taro already know that there was a magical fountain where he get the delicious shake. So in the next morning what had happened, Taro started for work even early than the morning before. Whatever his timing is there, but he get up early in the morning to get a shake from the waterfall. So he went over there, and so he worked even early in the morning before that, whatever he is doing in previous days. So this one is all about the chapter. So all of you, we have done the question and answer, as well as the fill in the blanks, as well as these sentences in the story in the fill in the blanks, as well as we have done the word meanings. So all of you, you have to note it down in your classwork copies, English classwork copies, very neat and clean. Then after, you have to send it to me in class, in my personal WhatsApp number. All of you, my personal WhatsApp number is 9953630979. And students, make sure don't go here and there, because this time coronavirus is spreading very fastly. So all of you, take care yourself and eat healthy food. Don't eat the other items. Only eat green vegetables, or eat more and more vegetables and more salad, so that it make you healthy. So thank you all of you. Have a great day. Thank you.